Hello everyone, today I have a review of another knife from Dulotec company. This time it's a flipper knife model K211. The box contains a manufacturer sleevelet, and of course the knife itself. Total length is 20 centimeters, blade length is 8 centimeters, blade thickness is 3.5 millimeters. The steel of the blade is ACR13, the Chinese analog of Japanese AUS 8 steel. It's not a bad steel, keeps its sharpness quite well, tempered between 57 to 58 HRC, full felt grind, stonewash finish, the inscription Dulotec and K211. Opening with a flipper. The knife runs on ball bearings. The handle scales are made of black micarta, but also you can find it in brown or green. I really like this orange ring around the pivot. Liner lock, it collapses steadily. Stainless steel clip without any motif. Hole for paracord. In summary, cool budget EDC tool, steel which is good enough for normal use. It runs very smoothly. The mechanics work impeccable. Due to the micarta scales, the knife fits well in the hand and it's good to work with it. No blade play and any flaws. That's all in this review, thanks for watching.